I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today I'm excited to show you the Packet Reveal Intimates Cube. If you've ever been unsure about how to pack your bras and undergarments, this is the perfect solution. It's made from 100% recycled post-consumer materials and is even washable and water resistant. It has one main compartment, which is built with this elastic strap right here to hold your bras inside. And it has top elastic pockets, which are great for underwear, socks, and smaller accessories. It even has a padded exterior to keep your bras from getting crushed inside your bag. The zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. They also have these awesome climbing rope-inspired pulls, making it easy to grab and giving it a fun outdoor aesthetic. It also has this top handle for easy grab and go. The Packet Reveal Intimates Cube is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty. This unique new cube keeps your delicates in great shape while you travel.